Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about high-paying skills for frugal living to improve your finances. You can do a lot with money. In fact, you can outsource almost your entire life. Get someone else to cook for you, clean for you, and do just about anything for you. But if you're one of us mere mortals who don't have unlimited funds, then saving money on everyday expenses frees up money to spend on things that really matter and give us joy. Here are 8 of the essential skills that will save you money. 1. Planning and organization. It is pretty darn hard to be frugal without the ability to plan ahead and be organized. Budgeting your money effectively requires you to set goals, organize your finances, and save up for things. To save money on groceries, you need to menu plan. To save money on anything you buy requires you to shop around in advance and keep an eye out for sales. Your home and car need to be maintained regularly to save on costly repairs. Take the time to set up household systems, time management systems, household management systems, and other organizational systems to save you time, money, and stress. 2. Financial management. It's no surprise that managing your money is an essential frugal skill. Good financial management keeps you out of debt, reduces your stress, and allows you to reach your financial goals. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. It's actually just a matter of prioritizing. 3. Creative thinking. It's easy to go out and buy something to fill a need or solve a problem. It's much more satisfying to reimagine a frugal alternative. Reclaiming, reusing, recycling, and repurposing is an art form that not only saves you money, but it's a whole heap of fun. Pinterest is a great place for repurposing inspiration. The trick to repurposing is to look at your problem creatively from 2 angles. How can I solve this with the stuff I have? How can I reuse this instead of throwing it away? Then get creative. 4. Cooking. Groceries are the biggest household expense after the house and car repayments. This is why saving money here really pays off. You can make huge savings on your grocery budget by learning how to cook fresh food from scratch. Not only that, but being able to cook whole food from scratch is also essential for a healthy, happy life. While we're on the subject of cooking, there's a related frugal skill that will also save you money, and that's preserving. Preserving produce when it's in season and cheap will save you money, regardless of whether you grow what you're preserving or buy it. And it doesn't have to be hard. It can be as simple as freezing fruit and vegetables, or making simple jams and chutneys. 5. Smart shopping. You've worked hard to earn your money. Now you want to be as savvy as you can when spending it. Ways to shop smart include shopping secondhand, comparing prices, shopping the sales, haggling. 6. Do it yourself. The other day, I spent $90 on the plumber. He changed a single tap washer. In my defense, I tried and couldn't do it ourselves. The darn thing was stuck. Even the plumber had trouble, and there was a whole lot of swearing coming from our shower stall before he emerged triumphantly. I would have preferred to keep the $90 in my pocket, not his. Sometimes it's just smarter to outsource than DIY. Electrical work should definitely be handled by a qualified pro. However, the more skills you learn, the less you have to rely on others to do it for you and pay a premium for it. When it comes to DIY, don't just think of home maintenance and renovations though. You can DIY your own gifts, make your own cleaners, make your own soap, and make your own condiments. I know people who will throw away a perfectly good shirt because a button has come off. That's a heck of a lot of money to waste for a 2-minute job. Even if you never want to make your own clothes, being able to mend them will save you money. Being able to make adjustments to store-bought clothes will save you even more. Increase your skills and save on household linens and gifts. Sewing isn't the only craft that is useful. Another one is woodwork. Other great crafts include knitting, crocheting, painting, card making, jewelry making, basket making, quilting, and cake making, just to name a few. 7. Sewing and other handicrafts. I know people who will throw away a perfectly good shirt because a button has come off. That's a heck of a lot of money to waste for a 2-minute job. Even if you never want to make your own clothes, being able to mend them will save you money. Being able to make adjustments to store-bought clothes will save you even more. The problem isn't that we love stuff too much. The problem is we don't love our stuff enough. Being able to maintain what you own and fix it, rather than replace it, saves you money, but it also saves the planet. Maintenance covers a lot of ground. Here are a few examples. Around the home. Change tap washes. Clear drains. Clear gutters. Weeding, pruning, mowing. Pest control. Clean carpet and upholstery. Repair appliances, toys, furniture, and other household goods. Pet grooming. Car. Change oil and oil filter. Change spark plugs. Change tires. Wash and wax. Change wiper blades. Self. Cut hair. Facials, manicures, waxing, etc. Exercise. Eat healthily. Entertain yourself. 8. Bartering. Skill swapping or good old-fashioned bartering can fill a skill deficit without having to fork out a heap of money for a service. You have many skills that you can use as currency. Think of the elderly lady who advertised to wash and iron clothes in exchange for electrical work. Look for local bartering groups on Facebook and Gumtree, or Google bartering websites to see if you can get what you need without paying out money. Having a host of skills not only saves you money, it means you're more independent. That's good for your pride and good for the soul. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for more frugalism videos. Thank you for watching.